Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday, Royal Family. I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope you have started your morning or getting up to start your morning. I know it's pretty early, but I decided to let's get this cake done. As I had promised, I am going to do a banana pudding cake, and it is going to be yum, 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 yum. All right, here are the ingredients. Here I have 3 eggs. I have 2 bananas. The one that is speckled, we're going to use in the cake mix. So we're going to mash it up and put it in the cake mix. The other one we're going to slice and put in the middle of the cake with the pudding. And here I have Eagle brand milk. Of course, we're not going to use all of that because the cake would be extremely sweet. So we're going to use maybe 2 ounces of it. And I want you guys to really see this. I got some Fruit Fresh, and it is produce protector. We're going to sprinkle maybe a ½ a teaspoon on the banana so it will not turn brown. I hate brown bananas. I just don't like it. And of course, we have the, all right, let me get it. The true and faithful Vanilla Wafers. Some we're going to crush up and put on the bottom layer of the cake. Some we're going to crush up and put on the top layer of the cake. And then some we're going to stick to the side. But of course, I will show you guys, all right? And I'm using vegetable oil this time. I did not or could not find canola oil, which is my favorite to bake with. And we have this 5.1 ounce of banana cream pudding. The reason I got the larger one is because we're going to split it up. And of course, I'll show you guys how we're going to do that. And did I show you the cake mix we're going to use? It is the French vanilla. Trust me, it is going to be great. And it's by Duncan Hines, and it is a 15.25 ounce box. And last but not least, I'm multitasking here, you guys. We're going to use the Cool Whip Extra Creamy because we want the filling to be so creamy, and we want the, it's not a frosting, but what do I want to call it? I guess I would say Cool Whip frosting to be so silky. All right, I want you to follow the directions on the back of the cake box. Take the 1 speckled banana, a ripe banana, smash it up, put it in the cake mix, preheat your oven to 350, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Then I will come back and show you guys what we're going to do with the pudding mix. Okay, let's get this train on the track. Okay, Royal Family, I did the pudding. Oh, I hope you can see it. I did the pudding, and I actually used 1 3/4 cup of milk because I want it nice, smooth, and creamy. Now we're going to add 2 ounces of the Eagle brand milk. Okay, we're gonna just put that in there. Yummy, yum, yum. Now remember, only 2 ounces because we definitely don't want it too sweet. And then we're just going to fold it in. And out of this pudding mixture, I want you to reserve 2 tablespoons of it. All right. Then we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And then let's put it in the refrigerator without the Cool Whip. All right. Is that delicious or what? You see how smooth it is? With only 2 ounces of the Eagle brand milk. Now remember, we're going to take out 2 tablespoons. All right. We're on a roll here. Okay, Royal Family. The cake has cooled. And, of course, again, I'll have to do a, what am I trying to say? Instead of 2 tablespoons of the pudding mixture, we're going to need 4. And I want you guys to see the bananas. Okay, focus, focus, focus. With the fruit fresh. And they've been sitting, I know they look brown, but I promise you they're not. Okay, let me move the cake because I want you guys to really see this. You see? And I put, most of the people here don't like bananas, so I didn't cut that much. So I sprinkled maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon on it. Okay. But what we're going to do now is put the bananas. I mean, it's very sporadic because, as I stated, they don't really care for bananas. But you can load yours up, and probably you will need about 2 bananas. So I'm just going around the edge with them. Okay, let's go around the edge. Okay, some I got a little too close, I think. Oh, I didn't. Huh? No, it's pretty cool, huh? I did it. All right. And next we're going to add some of the cookie crumbles. And with the Cool Whip and the remaining pudding, I'm only going to add 4 ounces of the Cool Whip. Let's go ahead. We want to sprinkle this kind of like in the center. Yum. You see that? Just load it up because I like cookies and banana pudding. I don't know about you, but I really like cookies and bananas. Okay, I'm going to put the top on it. Okay, and you can pat them down if you like. The reason I'm not really putting it over the banana, because we're going to have some on the side. And all right, now when I come back, you guys will see the finished presentation. And remember, only add 4 ounces of the Cool Whip to the pudding. But as always, I will have the correct measurements in the description box below. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the banana pudding cake. And please excuse the background noise. The children have waken up. Most of you guys don't know that I haven't been in my own place for a couple of months, but I will be back in my own place in June. It's all kind of old for the children, you know. I like them to visit and then go home. But anyway, I want you guys to see this cake. Is that gorgeous? And what I did, you know, with the Cool Whip and the remaining pudding, I mixed it together. I spreaded it on, and then I put the cookies on the side. You guys see that? and it is so moist and delicious. All right, and I did cut a piece, so hold on. Let me scoop this back. And we are going to try this baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. I want you guys to see how moist this is. Look at that. Look at that. All right, I need to show you the pudding. Hold on. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. This is not dead delicious. All right, I want you guys to see the pudding with it. You see how fluffy it is, and look at the cake. So moist. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Again, my ride or die subscribers. And until we meet again, you guys take care. And also, put in the comments below if you want to see me make a certain recipe. I am willing to try what you guys asked. But just one more again. One more again. Check that out. All right, I'm going in. God bless you guys.